This next video is a totally optional other way to do long division if you really hate that long, like space-consuming divide, multiply, subtract process that we did before. So here's another thing you can try. If you don't like it, don't do it. 27, so what we're going to do is start with the first term, and it's the same divide, multiply, subtract, we're just going to organize it differently. We're going to start with the first term, just like we only divide by the first term when we're doing the long division the long way. So what we're going to do is do the division. 27x cubed divided by 3x is 9x squared. And I'm going to put that up here. That's part of my quotient, 9x squared. And then I'm going to multiply 9x squared times negative 2. And that's going to go in the space here is sort of the product of the 9x squared times the negative 2. This is where they meet. So I'm going to put negative 18x squared there, which you'll notice is not the next term here. So what we're going to do is put in the diagonal space here, we're going to put sort of the remainder that we need. How many x squareds do we need? If we have negative 18x squared, but we need to get up to 9x squared, how many more would we need to add to it? You can do the subtraction or figure it out in your head. We need 27x squareds. The idea is that these two things combined work to make that. So even though we're breaking it up into two pieces, we're still writing the dividend, the 27x cubed plus 9x squared minus 3x minus 10. We're writing that in all these spaces. We're just chopping them up into pieces to do it. And then we're going to start again. We're going to divide again. 27x squared divided by 3x is 9x. And 9x times negative 2 is negative 18x. And then again, we can figure out, all right, we've got negative 18x, but we're supposed to have negative 3x. So what must be missing? What do we need? Well, we are missing 15x. Because that way, negative 18x and 15x would combine to make negative 3x. And we can divide again. 15x divided by 3x is 5. And 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And that is exactly what we needed, so we don't need to worry about any other spaces. And so our quotient is 9x squared plus 9x plus 5. And you're doing the exact same math as the long division. It's just you're doing more of it in your head and writing down less of it and organizing it a little bit differently. So if you like this better, feel free to use it. If you don't like this better, feel free to pretend you never saw it.